Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about 20 ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home. So let's start video. Economy can be unpredictable. Having a reliable job or an established business can both have their down in a bad economy. But when you face an unexpected turn of events, there is always a way to earn money through a second source. Then there are scenarios where you can't afford a steady and strong financial life with a single job. In an economy like today's job, especially in Pakistan, having a part that income source or making money online from the comfort of your home is a great proposition. So what we need to get started? A lot of patience. Earning income online is easy, but earning good amount of money can be challenging something. Some months can be really good and some can be just fine. You must have some know-how about computer and internet. You cannot have a stable online earning source if you don't have the basic knowledge of to operate a computer and how internet it's work. You must understand English at least at a basic level. Having proficiency in English communication is always a plus. Consistency and hard work. Earning online can be easy, but maintaining financial flows requires consistency in work and attitude that shouts hard work. So now I will discuss 10 ways through which we earn money online. First of all, we discuss about blogging. First thing first, what you are most passionate about. Never start a blog in which you might lose interest later. You need excellent English communication skills to start your own blog. It can be a news related blog or a product services review or celebrity blog. Post job funny images, videos, write about latest trend and technology update. The pitch point is that you are blogging about good ideas. Stay away from plagiarism. So you can check, don't rush and wait for 3 and 4 months till volume of visitor increase to more than 100k per day. Money start coming in once you reach your target. You can check our complete guide. So now we will discuss second way through which we make money online. Earn through data entry. Data entry is considered to be among the biggest skills you can have to earn money online. It is also listed at the top most jobs available online in terms of projects volume. It's all about typing. You may need some basic level English computer skills to get the job done. Data entry job takes a lot of your time. Some reliable source can be Freelancer, Fiverr and Upwork. The third source of online money is become a part of market research group. Market research is like the bread and butter of an advertisement agency in Pakistan. Contact some local or large companies or research agencies and become part of the focused group. You have no idea how much they value of your opinions. The fourth way is fill out some survey forms. Similar to the focus group, survey research is another medium of earning money online by providing your opinion. Those surveys can be related to product, services, or academic research forms. So, fifth way is refer product services and get paid. Earn money online via participating in referrals. Good income can be earned along with the bonuses if you have a strong network of people and know someone who might be fit the job perfectly. The sixth way is ever thought of selling photos. You don't need to be the famous Tapu Jawari to the job. Sometimes the most usual and unusual things miss a photo like coffee cups, road signs, etc. You can submit these images at various sites like Shutterstocks or iStock Photos. The seventh way of online make money online, become a reviewer. Often we eat a restaurant and say, oh my, this was the most tasteful thing I ate. Or when you use a smartphone, you say stuff like I love how the camera works. There are a number of websites who actually pay to you review products. Some people may hire you to review their own product services on several review sites. The most popular website includes Amazon and eBay. The one way is become a traveler agent. No, you don't. No, you won't have a sit in an office to do that. You can reserve and sell tickets customer from your home. I used to work for a travel and tour company who are salespeople and let them work from home. After all, you just have to sell tickets online. Arts and craft. Love making jewelry from stones or crafts. Are you a crafty person? Either way, you can make stuff at home and sell them online via OLX, Facebook, or the new boss in town, Instagram. The last one way of today video, that is telemarketing. Are you good in sales and you can communicate with people in US, Ireland, or UK in their native language? Telemarketing can be a right job for you then. Reach out the companies looking for a resource like you net and you and sell their products and services, be it call or online chat. Meet your monthly targets and earn the sales commission with a basic pay. Earn up to rupees 50,000 PKR to a 1 lakh per month. TRG Pakistan would be the perfect example to state here, one of the leading BPO companies in Pakistan for offshore outsourcing. So guys, in this video we will discuss 10 main basic ways to earn money online, but we should follow some pain points. Be aware of spam sites. Online money is a reliable source, but you won't believe, but there are more scamming sites out there to hunt you than reliable clients paying competitive salaries. Get your research work properly done. Don't be desperate, don't be blind. Always look for a site review. Google your client's name or company he is represent. Mark a target of yourself and set your work policy straight. Never work for full in advance before getting paid, or paid in advance. So guys, the video is end. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Inshallah we will be here with the next video. Thank you for watching.